Let's talk about the Bosch Universal Brush. In this video I'll give you my honest review of it, what are some of the pros, some of the cons I found it, and what is the overall feeling I have about it. So let's just jump into it. Let's open it up. When you open it up, the tool itself looks like this. It's pretty small, lightweight. The connector looks like this. It's unique for specifically this tool, so you can't just attach other attachments, I'm pretty sure. It has only one button, which is on. When you switch it on, it turns like this. Yeah, it's pretty light, small. You can see in my hand when I grip it, my hand basically takes on the entire handle. This specific set comes with 3 attachments, which is this narrow brush, this larger brush, and this adapter for connecting some of the Velcro attachments, which are pretty simple. You can just add them like this. The attachments simply connect by brute force. No seriousness, you simply add them like this. With this one you simply add the pad you need. It goes like this. Turn it off, take it off. You need to take it off, you simply take it like this. And the one you need. When you're done, simply take it off. Yeah. Put on the other one. And it goes like this. It has an internal battery, so it needs to charge. The good part is you can charge it with any phone charger. The bad part is it doesn't have USB-C. It has micro USB, which is bad. Yeah, that was one of the biggest cons of it I found, as I use basically only USB-C at the moment, so I need a separate cable only for this thing. But the good part is that at least I can use any charger. I just need a micro USB cable. It also comes with a cable, but as it's a standard micro USB, I already had one lying around. Here are some of the use cases shown on the box. Auto part cleaning, kitchen cleaning, bathroom, and so on, which is pretty good. So yeah, what are my overall opinions on it? It does work pretty good, I'd say. It does take quite a lot of pressure to stop it. I can't simply stop it by hand. So yeah, it does work pretty good. I did test it before, but yeah, it does take quite a lot of pressure to stop it. So for instance, I have this board. I did put quite a lot of pressure on it. So I'm pretty sure for some scrubbing jobs it'll be pretty good. What are my opinions on it? Here are some of the pros. First one, considering it's a brush, you can take quite a lot of pressure to it, so it won't stop so easily. I think it's enough for any brushing work you will need. At least it was for me. So yeah, I think that's good. The second one, which is pretty important, is very easy to use. Of course, for me, I would prefer to have some knobs and other stuff, other features to it, but it has only the on-off button and that's it. You don't even need to click anything to change the nozzles. You simply take it off and put it back on. So yeah, that's pretty easy. Considering the main users of it will be people that simply need some cleaning jobs or something around the house or something like that. And for that, it's pretty good. Of course, as I work with tools and everything, I like to adjust stuff, and yeah, but it's good enough for me also. Yeah, the nozzles also are pretty good, pretty decent. The third pro is that it is pretty ergonomic. It's pretty easy to hold and use to apply pressure, so that contributes to the ease of use. So it's pretty easy to apply pressure like this and to scrub anything you need. So what are some of the cons? I'd say the biggest one is micro USB. Come on, you simply need USB-C at this point. as everything uses USB-C. The second one would be that I personally would prefer if the head would be adjustable in some sort of way, but maybe the water could slip through the cracks as it's meant for cleaning. So it does need to have a pretty robust and weatherproof casing, so maybe that's not an option. So that's just what I would prefer, as some of the small drills that you can simply lift it like this and change the angle so you can scrub it like this. But yeah, that's just personal. The third one, which is also pretty personal, that I would like the ability to adjust the speed at least, I don't know, 3 speeds or something like that. But yeah, that's a takeaway from the ease of use, as I already mentioned. There's one big con I forgot to mention before, and that's that it doesn't have any indicator of charging level, so you're just guessing how long will it last. There's no indicator anywhere, just the one button and the charging port. So yeah, for me that's probably the biggest con besides the micro USB connector. All the other ones are just preferences, but yeah, I would really like it to be USB-C and to have some indicator of a charging level, so I know how long I have until it dies. All in all, even with these cons, I still think it's a pretty decent tool. The scrubbing experience was pretty good with it. It does take quite a lot of load off your hand, and it's a lot easier than to scrub it like this or like this or any way you like. The battery held up quite a long time. I scrubbed my bathroom to test it, and it held up the entire time. I didn't track the exact time. It wasn't too big of a job, but still, one charge, that's good. And yeah, the biggest part I like is that I can give it to anyone, and I'm pretty sure that they can figure out how to use it. I can give it to my grandma, my children, and anyone pretty much, as it only has one button. You can't mess it up. Simply switch it on and switch it off when you're done scrubbing. And there's even no switch to take off and put on the attachments. You simply pull them off, put them back on, and it's easy as that. I'm pretty sure you can't mess it up. And I think this tool is probably targeted towards such people that are not tool oriented but simply need an electric brush, so you can clean your kitchen and bathroom easier, to take a load off your hand or your wrist, and that's pretty cool. All in all, I'm pretty satisfied. In case you want to grab one yourself, I'll add some direct links to Amazon in the description, so you don't need to look them up yourself. So yeah, if you disagree with me in any way or simply want to have a discussion, leave a comment down below. Let's talk. If not, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. See you soon. Bye.